Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Kai Tak Sport Park Stadium Construction Update. Kai Tak Sports Park, a new sports and entertainment complex scheduled to open in Hong Kong in 2025, has marked a major construction milestone with the completion of the main stadium exterior building facade panels. The 50,000-seat main stadium has been designed with the theme, Pearl of the Orient, and its multi-layered facade features around 27,000 aluminium panels. The panels have been shaped into signature design triangular pieces. The color of the facade is capable of shifting to different hues including mountain blue, metallic purple, metallic silver and others depending on the degrees of brightness of natural daylight. The pearlescent panel surfaces have also been built with self-cleaning capabilities and long-lasting durability, which operators say will effectively combat the impact of dust and rainwater on the exterior walls. The project team has reduced the original panel quantity of over 47,000 to 27,000 following a meticulous process of adjustments and refinements. The installation of the facade panels for the stadium took 8 months. Kai Tak Sports Park is now stepping into its final stage of construction, with nearly 85% of the works now completed. As well as the main stadium, the 28-hectare project will feature an indoor sports center with a capacity of up to 10,000 and a public sports ground with a capacity of 5,000. Kai Tak Sports Park will be used during the 2025 edition of the National Games of China, which Hong Kong will co-host alongside Guangdong and Macau. The major facilities within the precinct are expected to be completed in phases by the end of 2024 ahead of opening in 2025. Construction work at Kai Tak Sports Park commenced in 2019. The complex has been designed by Populous and will be operated by ASM Global.